What up, friends? Today we are gonna start on this old girl. I really couldn't afford to do it, but I had given this to my son. They finally got his driver's license. This was my wife's car, and as soon as I gave it to him, I didn't know it, but these had a recall. The frames would break. That there. So I had some extra laying around. This is really good primer. I'm going to paint it black again, and I don't want a red frame underneath of it. But the task today is to get this weekend. I'm hoping today, but this weekend is to get this under that. So I got a couple things I need to do because I don't have a lift. I need to, I don't trust that because I need to bring the front end up pretty high to do this. But I don't trust that. I don't trust, because my garage is, when I did the garage, I did the concrete and it's not right. And it's on a slant. And I don't trust that. So I got to build some cripping blocks to bring the back end up so I can bring the front end up high enough to do this. The top motor mounts, I watched a few videos, and they, I don't need to do nothing to hold the motor or anything. Don't need to pull the motor. So, with that in mind, wish me the best. I'll keep y'all up to date. This jack I got from this 5-ton jack that Weaver sent me is played a part in this, a big part in this. This thing is awesome, man. My garage, just make sure you use safety. Floor jacks work, they'll save your life. But anyways, we're going to use this, and it played a big part because I can bring it up high. I don't have to sit there and go up and down. I mean, you got to do what you got to do, but check out that jacket. Weaver Tools. Enough advertising for them. But anyways, I put them 20s on her. I got these when I got my Ram. The guy threw them in, and bam, they fit this. It looks pretty good with them on there. But the frame part, I think they played a part in breaking that frame, but it was bad. It was rusty. But Ford Escape had a recall on this, and their fix was they put a bar from the bottom A-frame across to the other one. The frame, that part right there, that's what rust and break. And on this one, I don't know if that was part of the recall, but the control arm housing rusted too. But that was the part of the recall. And they put a bar from there to there underneath to fix the problem. It make no damn sense to me. But y'all have a good day, and check me out. Don't forget to like and follow, and subscribe wherever I post it, what platform I post this on. If you're on TikTok looking at this, don't go check out my YouTube, JT's Garage. I'll keep y'all up to date. I'm going to get better with my content now that I have this new iPhone 16 Pro Max. You know what I'm saying, son? Later.